When trying to save taxes, are you confused about where to invest? And is the difference between the old and new tax regime adding to the confusion? Clear the confusion with Scripbox Tax Saver. So what is Scripbox Tax Saver? The best way to save taxes and grow your money too. What are the benefits of Scripbox Tax Saver? 1. Scripbox Tax Saver Calculator helps you calculate the taxes under the new and old regimes and helps you choose the one that will benefit you the most. It also helps you arrive at the right amount you need to invest in order to save taxes. 2. It then algorithmically recommends the best ELSS or equity-linked savings scheme funds for you. These deliver better growth than other investment options like PPF, ULIPs, tax-saving fixed deposits or national savings certificates. Scripbox Tax Saver has a lock-in period of only 3 years, the lowest compared to the other investment options mentioned before. 3. You will get instant investment proof in your inbox, so no missing the HR's deadline anymore. 4. What's more, this entire process is 100% paperless with zero fees. It doesn't get easier and better than this. Start saving on taxes and tension with Scripbox Tax Saver. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.